Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your phone is charged and on the same network as your PC, or plan to use USB. Install the chosen Android webcam app on your phone and the companion software on your computer. This pairing is how the video stream becomes a virtual camera. If you prefer USB for lower latency, enable developer options on Android and turn on USB debugging. Then accept the computer's RSA key when prompted so the PC can access the device. Once both apps are installed, open them and select your connection method: Wi-Fi for convenience, USB for stability. On the phone, grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so the stream can be captured and transmitted. Next, pick a resolution and frame rate that your network or USB can handle. Higher settings use more bandwidth. Then, on the PC, choose the new virtual camera in your conferencing or streaming app and view the preview to confirm framing, audio sync, and overall quality. To finish, secure the phone with a tripod or stand and lock orientation so framing stays steady. Disable screen timeout to avoid interruptions. If you notice lag or dropped frames, try switching from Wi-Fi to USB, reduce resolution or frame rate, or close other apps using network or CPU. If the virtual camera disappears, restart both apps, replug the USB cable, and reauthorize USB debugging on the phone. These steps fix most detection and permissions issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.